Discover the fascinating process of how paper is made in modern factories. In this video, we explore the step-by-step journey of paper production, from cutting down trees and turning wood into pulp, to pressing, drying, and cutting the final paper sheets used every day. Watch how raw wood is transformed into smooth sheets of paper through advanced machines and industrial processes. This behind-the-scenes look at paper manufacturing shows the technology and methods used in paper mills around the world. Paper is made mainly from wood fibers taken from trees. These fibers are processed, cleaned, pressed, and dried to create the paper we use every day. Here is the simplified step-by-step process. 1. Tree harvesting. Trees such as pine, spruce, and eucalyptus are cut down in forests and transported to paper mills. 2. Debarking and chipping. The logs are placed in machines that remove the bark. After that, the wood is cut into small chips so they can be processed more easily. 3. Making wood pulp. The wood chips are mixed with water and chemicals and cooked in large tanks called digesters. This process breaks the wood into tiny fibers, forming a thick mixture called pulp. For cleaning and bleaching, the pulp is washed and cleaned to remove impurities. Sometimes it is bleached to make the paper whiter. 5. Forming the paper sheet. The watery pulp is spread onto a moving mesh screen. Water drains away, leaving a thin layer of fibers that begin forming a sheet. 6. Pressing and drying. The sheet passes through rollers that press out water. Then it goes through heated dryers to remove the remaining moisture. 7. Rolling and cutting. Finally, the dry paper is rolled into large reels and cut into different sizes such as A4 sheets, notebooks, newspapers, or cardboard.